Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are tweening a door to make it open. So we're tweening it left. There will be a better model in the description. So with the pastebin. So this one's not the best. So I will give a link to the one. Mainly because if you move this door or you get it in the wrong position, it will not go well. So it will move to a random position. So use the one in the description and it'll all be fine. So first we need to add a script inside InvisDoor, because InvisDoor is the door, well, it's not going to move. So we need to make sure that it doesn't move, because otherwise if it does move, then we'll never be able to open it. So then we add a click detector and do script.parent.clickDetector.mouseClick: connect. So I did a semicolon function and then new line. So we just need to, I'm just going to change the script to open close. So remember to use the model or pastebin in the description because it's much more detailed and much more helpful. So then we'll do local door equals script.parent.door. So the reason we're not using InvisDoor is because nobody should be able to see InvisDoor. It's not moving, so then you can always click it, even when it is closed. So make sure that the InvisDoor has CanClide off and everything else is anchored, otherwise it wouldn't work. So once it's all anchored and it's all working well, then we'll just carry on. So we need to do the tween service. We need to find the tween service out. So local tween service equals game get service : and then tween service. Now we could have all services at once, but we're not, because otherwise it will make people lag and potentially crash. So now we need to do local info equals tweeninfo.new. So now this is the amount of time it will take. So for this I'm going to put 2. Then we need to do the easing style, which I'm doing probably quint or quad or one of those. So once we've done that, we will then find the one that I want, which is quint. Then we'll do another comma, new line, enum.easing direction, and then we'll do out because the door's moving out of the way. And then we'll do how many times it repeats. So we've done 0 because we don't want it to repeat at all. So then we'll do a new line. We'll do false because we don't want it to go back on itself, which would look a little bit weird. So then the new comma, last line, 0, that's the amount of time it waits. Actually, we'll put 1 in for this because the door might need to wait a bit while you're pushing the door. Then we'll do the local goals equals, and then we're going to do a table, new line, position equals vector3.new, and then don't put what I put, you need to put what you need to put, or you can just take the one from the model in the description. It's just that this will be completely different if your door's in a different place. So just make sure to take the one from the description or somewhere else. And then local play equals tween service create, because we need to create a tween. And then we need to do door. And then once we've done the door, we will need to do info, then finally goals. So then we should be able to open it, but it shouldn't be able to close. Or it could close, but it wouldn't work well. Oh, I forgot. We need to make InvisDoor bigger than the actual door itself. And we also need to anchor it all. So once we've anchored it all, then that will work. So we need to actually make InvisDoor bigger, so then you can click it. So just go into home or model and then press scale and just make it a tiny bit bigger. Yep, so now we need to make it bigger on the other side, and then we need to set the transparency to 1, so then nobody can see it, but people can also click it. So now if you click it, then the door will open and That should work now. So make sure that everything's anchored, because otherwise nothing would work. Open it. Should work. Oh, we need to make it play. We forgot to make the tween play. So you've got to do the play and then you've got to actually make the tween play. Because if you don't make the tween play, then it will just not do anything. Even though you've given it all the variables it needs, it does need to actually play. Because otherwise it wouldn't play. So now we get into the version and should be able to click it open. Yeah, so this one's a little bit wrong. So I'm just going to fix that up. So number one, it's going in the wrong direction. Number two, it's not going far enough. So we need to make it a little bit further. And yeah, as you can see, it slows down at the end. Okay. So now what we're going to do, I'm just going to make it 15. And this should work. If it does work, then it's all good. So then we'll get into the game, press play, press the door. So click door there. And it opens, perfect. So once we've done that, then the door works. So now we need to make it close. So we're going to use if statements. So we'll do if door dot position equals vector equals should be vector 3 dot no. So then we need to find a normal vector 3. Obviously there'll be a better one in the description. So don't worry if this doesn't make sense. But this is just explaining it. So we need to do -9, etc. Then, and we need to put an end at the end. Oh, we do need to put else and an end, because otherwise it wouldn't work. So let's just move this back, this end, and then let's just copy all of this, but we're going to change the goals of it. So the goals is going to be 9, because that's the original door position. So it should work. If it does, then we're all good. So then we're just going to load into the game, and then we're going to click the door. So we're just going to click it. Opens perfectly. Click it. And remember, it's got that delay of a second, so I'm just going to change that now because it's way too long of a delay. So 0.2, probably. And then 0.2 because we need it to be the same. Or, well, we don't need to, but it's just better. So now we're just going to play into the game and it should work. Open the door. So click. And can you see that the mouse is still there? That's because invis door's there. So you can open, close, open, close. Because if we didn't have an invis door, you'll never be able to close it or open it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. And please consider subscribing. Hope you have a great day. Bye.